everybody, it's Jessica from Chambray Blues. Welcome to Sew Patterns in Style. It is a new adventure and I'm glad that you're here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this page and what's going on with it. It is been coming for a while. I've been thinking about it and kind of making plans to get it going, and I'm really excited about this new community that we're going to have, a community for sewists no matter what's your level. If you're a beginner sewist, we can help you learn to sew. And if you've been sewing for a long time, you'll want to stay for the community. And this is the place to do it. We're going to have lots of resources for you, new patterns, freebies. We'll have tutorials, master techniques, show and tell sessions, question and answer sessions, fit classes, all kinds of things related to sewing, and it's all going to happen right here. Years ago, when I first started sewing, I had a friend who taught me to sew. She had made a vest that I really liked out of this red calico. It was super cute back then, and I really wanted one. And I said, "Can you show me how to do that?" And she said, "Sure." So I went over to her house and I sat down with her, and side by side she showed me every step how to sew that pattern together. And once I knew, I was absolutely hooked on sewing. And that was sort of the beginning of everything. And when I was thinking about this group and what people might want to get out of it, it made me think that sewing in community is so important. So many of us are isolated today. We don't have access to classes. We don't have someone in our family who can teach us to sew. Our neighbors don't sew. People that we see on the street have beautiful clothes, and you say, "Oh, I love your dress," and they say, "I made it." So then what? Then you want to learn how to make one like it. And this is the place where all of that can happen. So I'm so glad you're here. It's going to be a great community. I'm in the back end still building up the community and finishing a few last minute things. And you can get on the wait list now. I'll be sending you some bonuses, a holiday gift package, pattern set that you're going to want to have to make your holiday gifts for this Christmas season. So get on the list, sign up below, and we'll let you know as soon as the doors open for the group. Thanks and have a great day.